that noise? Did you hear that? Sure there was a crack and a roar. Psst, Fred! Fred! Oh, he's sleeping again. Can you help me wake him up? We'll do 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Fred. 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Fred! Let me help you out. Fred! Did you hear that? No, you're asleep, of course. Sorry, Fred. I heard a noise. What kind of noise? Well, I'm sure it was a crack and then a roar at the bottom of the bed. Do you think we should go and have a look? I'm a bit scared. Can you go first? Don't look at me like that. I'm scared. You go first. The egg has hatched. Well, one of them. I saw there's a dinosaur in my bedroom. I don't know how to look after a dinosaur. Do you? Do you want to have a look? He looks like just a baby, though. He's so small. Shh, Fred. Guys, what are we going to do? There's a dinosaur in our house.